Good morning, students. How all are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are enjoying online classes. So, students, today I am going to describe some tips about how to solve comprehension. Okay, comprehension will come in your every exam. In periodic 1 it will be of 5 marks, and in half yearly or annual exam it will be of 10 marks. So it's urgent to understand how to solve comprehension. First of all, students, you should not feel disturbed simply because the passage and poem is unseen and is not an extract from your books. Don't feel disturbed about it. Students, actually comprehension is a skill and every skill demands practice. Again listen, comprehension is a skill and every skill demands practice. Once you have acquired the skill, you will realize that it is not difficult to answer questions on a given passage or any poem because the answers are present in the lines itself. Students, are you getting me? I am saying that if once you have acquired the skill, you will realize that it is not hard to answer these questions on a given passage because the answers are present in the lines itself. Okay, so don't feel disturbed. Next thing is that now I am going to give you some tips to answer comprehension questions. Listen it very carefully. First step. First step is that read the passage and poem very carefully. Okay? Read the passage and the poem very carefully. It was the first step when we are solving any comprehension. It is the first step. And second step is try to catch the main theme of the passage. Means what is the main topic inside the passage? Try to catch the base of the passage. Try to catch the main theme of the passage. Okay. Now third step is that read the question carefully. Okay. Listen to me. When you are going to read the questions, there can be different type of questions. For example, there can be MCQ in small classes. So each MCQ has a stream followed by 4 options. It means you will see 4 options if MCQ multiple choice questions are there, then you will get 4 options and you have to select only one. It means what I mean to say, only one option will be correct, so you have to select only one which you feel that it can be correct. Each MCQ has a stream followed by 4 options. Every MCQ multiple choice question has a stream followed by 4 options. It means every MCQ have 4 options. choose the option that you consider to be the most appropriate. As I told you that you have to read the question carefully and then choose the option that you feel, that you consider to be the most appropriate. And third step to solve any MCQ, write the option number as well as the answer against the correct serial number in your answer sheet or your notebook. I am repeating this point again. Write the option number. Suppose A, B, C, D is there, then you have to, if you feel that C is correct, then you write option C. C is there, as well as the answer. Which answer is given in option C against the correct serial number in your answer sheet or in your notebook. Okay. Next is, in very short answer type questions, write your answer according to the sense and content. If in senior classes there is no MCQ, only short answer type question is there, then what you should do, write your answer according to the sense and content. Next is, use the skill of reasoning and comprehension. Which is the next step? Use the skills of reasoning and comprehension. And next is, the correct answer may be based on comprehension, and every answer will be from inside the passage. Means whatever you are writing in answer, it must be connected with the content, with the passage only. You can't write any answer from anywhere. Again, listen carefully. You can't write any answer according to your wish. You can't write any reader answer, any chapter answer here. Every answer must be connected only and only given comprehension. I hope it is clear to you. Again, I am quickly revising the step. Listen carefully. First of all, don't be disturbed to see any comprehension. Read the passage carefully. Try to catch the main theme of the passage. You should read the passage at least twice, means 2 times. Okay. Read the question carefully. If MCQs are there, then follow only one option. Okay. There will be 4 options. One will be correct and you have to choose only one. Choose the option that you consider to be the most appropriate, and then write the option number as well as the answer also against the correct serial number in your answer sheet or in your notebook. And if very short answer type questions are there, then give the answer according to sense and content. And use the skill of reasoning and comprehension. And last point, and the main point is this: every answer must be connected to the given comprehension. You can't write anything from outside. So students, These were the basic tips. I am giving you one comprehension. Try to solve it. Thank you very much.